This is Alden Kane's CSE 40535 term project. It is an underwater swimmer detection and a feature in a drowning detection system for swimming pools. This system works by taking the logical AND of two features binary image, that is, the color detection binary image after morphological operations, and a motion detection binary image. The logical AND of these is shown here, and contours and boxes are drawn to classify swimmers in this underwater video feed. It is done in a frame-by-frame manner and can be done in real time as well. All of the data sets shown here were collected by myself at Rolf's Aquatic Center at the University of Notre Dame. Moving on to a different video feed here, we can see that we have two features working. A color detection feature based off HSV values. We have the same color detection feature shown here with morphological operations applied. We can see that we have persistent noise based off a similar HSV profile of this tile up here. We also have our motion detection feature and the binary image of the motion detection feature. While neither feature is sufficient in and of itself to provide a good classification of only swimmers, we can see that when the positives from each feature are ANDed together, we get accurate classification of swimmers that eliminates sources of noise shown here and also in the area that is not inclusive of solely the swimmer. This provides solid classification for DDS. For this project, I classified my accuracy with the intersection over union metric. For the train and validation sets, I achieved an intersection over union of about 0.81 with the standard deviation of about 0.12. This means I've achieved good classification,